Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring a gentle, slow-paced yoga practice specifically designed for seniors and anyone looking to build balance, release tension, and move with ease. Before we begin, remember, yoga should work for your body, not against it. If sitting flat on the floor feels uncomfortable, feel free to sit on a rolled-up blanket, a firm cushion, or even participate directly from a sturdy chair or the edge of your couch. Grab a towel or cushion, get comfortable, and let's get started. Let's start by finding a tall, comfortable seat. By elevating your hips slightly with a cushion, you give your spine room to lengthen naturally without straining your lower back. Close your eyes gently. Roll your shoulders down and away from your ears. Today isn't about pushing your physical limits, it's about cultivating awareness through breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, expanding your belly, and let out a soft sigh through your mouth. Notice how simply tuning into your breath starts to quiet the mind and relax the nervous system. Now bring your palms together at your heart. As you inhale, sweep your hands upward, gently lifting your gaze toward the sky, making sure not to pinch the back of your neck. As you exhale, draw your navel toward your spine, bringing your chin gently toward your chest while drawing your elbows wide. This seated flow mirrors the classic cat-cow movement, gently warming up your spine. Next, place your left hand on your right knee and gently rest your right fingertips on your right shoulder. Inhale, lift tall, and draw your right elbow back to guide a soft, easy twist. Unwind slowly back to center and repeat on the opposite side. Remember, if you're in a chair, simply hold the outer edge of your thigh, moving forward into a tabletop position on all fours, using padding under your knees if needed. Ensure your wrists align under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Extend your right leg straight back with your toes touching the floor. Rock gently back and forth to stretch through the ankle, calf, and bottom of your foot. Then engage your core gently, bend your right knee and lift the sole of your foot toward the ceiling to awaken your glutes. Lower your knee, bring your big toes together, and push your hips back into child's pose for a quick rest. Chair practitioners can simply fold forward gently over their knees. Take a moment to reset your breath. Taking your time, make your way up to standing. Stand tall in mountain pose with your feet grounded flat across all four corners, knees soft and chest lifted. Step your feet into a wide stance. Turn your right toes out, keeping a gentle bend in your front knee. Reach your arms wide and shift into an accessible triangle pose by reaching forward and leaning gently over your front leg, keeping both sides of your torso long and balanced. Bring your feet back to parallel. Place your hands on your hips, soften your knees, and hinge at your hips to come into a gentle, wide-legged forward fold. This brings fresh, oxygen-rich blood flow to the upper body and releases tension through the back of your legs. Slowly rise back up. Step your feet together and bring your hands to heart center in Anjali Mudra. Taking time for yourself to move, breathe, and cultivate balance is one of the greatest gifts you can give your body. Thank you for practicing with me today. From my heart to yours, Namaste. If you want to follow along with the original routine this was based on, check out Yoga for Seniors Slow and Gentle Yoga, which provides the full practice visually step by step.